because the couple two cells attachment is very weak, so that we cannot find the attached cell after the 1 day. But you can see the attached cells after 3 days, from 3 days back. But after attachment, the cells can easily to proliferate to the 4 days. So the proliferation speed is super high in the couple two cells. So that they want to need the huge number of volume of the nutrients. So the additional non-essential amino acids, you can more proliferation induce using the couple two cells. And this is a cheap solution. So that I recommend use the non-essential amino acid cocktail to call the couple two cell character.
It's the website and the company says it needs the non-essential amino acids too, so I have already added.
Already added. Sorry,
sorry. And just change the percent of the FPS.
Yes, okay.
And it's grown like very fast. Then and then this is like another experiment. Natural compounds stimulates cognitive cells, and like at day -5, we seeking, and after 3 days we wash the cells and change the medium, and then at day 1 we add the 3 natural compounds per cascocyte.
什么？
这个没有更新到，等我一下。对。
Vesicoside is one very powerful natural compound from one flowers. Flower. The flower will be a yellow small flower, but it smells good, and sometimes they also add to the tea, to the green tea, okay? But it will be very powerful for the anti-oxidation for us. We will to suppose it can anti-inflammation. So before I use it to do the IBD animal model, it can to
These products are extracted from the flowers or the plants, or
yeah, it will be provided from the professor's
yeah.
Yeah, it will
The extract only one material from the flower.
She said if you want anything, she can provide you.
I'm surprised. All natural products, even if I made some combination of some materials, so that I can see some micromolar, so that
Really?
I wonder that this is only one product, so that
Don't care anything. You can just provide us a mini one, and you can use it to. You will be the nature purified compounds. We can use the animal model. It's okay because the mini one is enough. Yeah. Okay, so 你来继续。
This one from the professor. Yes, professor said little flower, and then the second one is white one was from the Antrodia cinnamomea. Like
好，那你继续。
And the third one is from the Professor Zhou.
So today's the other lady professor. No, we have 3 professors today. One is Professor Shi, and then the other is Professor Zhou. He introduced you.
Yes.
Isn't it? Yeah. She provides this. So in
From
our
the
department.
Jerry or some.
Yeah. She take you to the bridge. So she also can to purify many natural compounds. Okay, so 它到底什么方法？
这个版本是没有更新的。
那怎么办？那现在你还是讲了，因为现在时间的关系。
And then after 2 days, we will use the H2O to stimulate from the control group,
What is it called?
like to destroy the toxic cells.
Yeah.
And maybe from the 20 hours, it's not 30 hours. Not 3 hours, it's 20 hours. And then after 20 hours, we will collect the supernet. And we will take the pictures from microscope. And then it will show the pictures on the tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow afternoon. And我先讲这个。
好，对，这个比较重要。
So excuse me. Did you quickly come back to the schedule? So did you confirm the state of the carbohydrates at the day 1? So what number, like confident or 80% or 50%, did you see the cell condition in the day at the day 1?
I said maybe I think it's 4.
Who conference said? Okay.
Maybe I have another question that you can also back to. Yeah. So how long for you to sit in the culture? How many days? How many days before you treat the drugs? How many days?
4 days we see it, and then 4 days,
4 days.
and then at the nectar conference.
Yeah. And
Nectar conference, like 2 days. After 2 days, we add another stimulant.
So, it will be also my question. Nakajima, could you provide some suggestion about how long we can to mimic the drug added and to see the prevention of therapeutic? The SY1 is 1 day. Yeah.
And so we come back to the culture image. So,
Culture image.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we cannot find any some dome-like shape in the Kapoor cells. Like after differentiation of the Kapoor cells, that make us some like a mysterious dome shape in the Kapoor cells. I take picture using a curved microscope system. So and so when we find that, so we can confirm some type of differentiation into the incorporated cell from the proliferation stage to the differentiation stage. So do you understand that? I write what you think of what I want to explain the whiteboard.
小心那个它的插头有收掉，所以小心。
In the proliferation stage, Kako2 cells cultures simple cells shape. Of course, yes, we can see the simple structure like exterior cells, but many types of different like round shape or tiny cells. But this is shaping the many height of the cells. Height of the cells is a no cell. But after conference stage, Kako2 cells that slightly proliferate each other, so they push each cell together, so that making some dome-like shape, even in the plastic dish. So that when we can find the dome-like shape, we confirm the differentiation into some incorporation of the cells to the bottom side cells. This is a phenotype of the Kako2 cells. So I think the conference state is most important before treatment of some drugs or natural compounds. So usually some researcher using the Kako2 cell to model guts, we need some using some cell culture inserts. This is side view. Side view, and this is a plastic filter can be passed to the material and see Kako2 cells on the filter. So we can divide the medium, top side and the bottom side. In this state, we can analyze the incorporation from the top side to the bottom side, because divided by the Kako2 cells, and they make a tight junction, and they only pass the materials by the incorporation. But thus, we need the cell differentiate into the incorporated cell. Incorporating cells have some materials incorporated into the cells and pass to the bottom side. But so we don't need the proliferated cells and differentiate it into the intestinal cells of the Kako2 cells. So many researchers won't think the need to completely differentiate it into the Kako2 cells 1 or 2 weeks after conference. So that so even in the plastic bottom dish or effects of the Kako2 cells, so not if you want the proliferation effects of the natural product or drug on the proliferation, you treat it before the conference. But other effects like toxicity or some block the inflammation by the H2O2 or some oxygen, so that you should use after conference for you should use the cells cultured for 1 or 2 weeks after conference, so that need a more long time before the treatment of the compounds. But the treatment range, like natural compound for 1 or 2 or some hours, well, I don't know, because we need many trials to the it's good, so to induce a good effect by the treatment of the natural compound or drug, dependent on the product. Did you understand them?
Understand? Because I think I could to briefly to summarize that. So your meaning is the cell culture you need to long time with the differentiated way and everything is complete. Then you can to treat your natural compounds. If you want to know the biofunction for the natural compounds, for the differentiated will the gut the system, right? If you want to know I think it will be some experiments for natural compound. It will be the strategy. First, the strategy is used to prevent. The prevent it will be very early to act it and to maintain the environment for the therapeutic condition or anti-oxidation situation. It will be to change the cell's development. I think it will be not good enough. I hope the natural compound will be to answer the question. If it will be the information for the well differentiated condition, what happened for the gut system?
Yes. So you in your objective, I think that we need a more long-term culture for treatment of the eczema.
Thank you. 所以他意思就是说，你要做天然物的刺激，或是要让它发炎，一定要在它已经长好、成型，然后分化完毕，就像我们的肠道的时候，你才去给药物刺激或药物预防，这样子才能够比较符合我们真实人体的状况。你如果太早加的时候，它根本就还在增生中嘛，那它没有办法回答这个问题。没有关系，因为我们时间有限，但是其实确实是这个。
但是他有问我状况，然后是长癌。你不确定？
有呀，你可以I think because my students say they will be very simply to observe the cells density and the condition. If they say almost 90% or 100% cells live here, they will say it's okay. But I think it will be some extracellular matrix or other compounds outside the cells. So it will be to make sure the cells is grows very well. I think maybe we can to use anti-ECM antibody to make sure the extracellular matrix is okay or not. After that, we can to add natural compounds.
Your question we need some extracellular matrix to maintain the CACO2 cells.
If you will be to how to make sure is differentiate enough or not yet. Yeah.
Using whether using the ECM use or not.
ECM use, yeah.
CACO2 cells is a little bit mysterious cells because this is the exterior cells, but they cannot secrete the laminin, so that they cannot make a basement membrane by own cells. Typical type of the exterior cells can secrete the laminin and some collagen type 4, so they make a basement membrane. So some researcher to make some environment like in vivo, the treatment of a laminin to some membrane on the membrane or a plastic dish sometimes. So if you mind the ECM effects for the Kakotsu condition, so one thing laminin coating is first choice for the trial. So, but this is also affect to the some effects of the Kakotsu cells to the incorporation ability from the top side to bottom side, because the basal sides usually binding to make a binding to from with cell Kakotsu cells and gut exterior cells and basement membrane. But Kakotsu cells cannot be made by own ability. So the coating of the laminin is may
make sure to
increase.
promote their cell differentiation well.
But without the laminin coating any more without any more extracellular matrix, they can differentiate into the incorporation state. But only we analyze the incorporation ability, the laminin may affect to the effects of the incorporation.
Okay, incorporation.
Is this answer your question? Okay.
Yeah, the decision. Yeah. 那个 incorporation 是可以吃东西，可以吞东西。
可是它是物质会进到细胞，
对啊，好厉害，好酷。它会有所谓的上层跟下层的概念，它的分化。Okay.
If you want to check the inhibition of the natural compound on inflammation of the Kakotsu cells, I think laminin coating is not needed for your experiment. But some the natural compounds, if in your consideration, the natural compounds can affect the cells by the incorporation to the cells, and some metabolites act to the cells. The laminin coating may be needed for your experiment.
Yeah. Okay. 所以我看就他的意思就是说他会把那个天然物用另外一个方式吞进来嘛。
他是说阿波度没有办法制造什么
脑力
有机，如果要加天然物的话，应该也要加那个脑力的。
对，如果你要观察它在还没有完成的，我大概听到这里。Okay, thank you for your suggestion. Okay, so maybe we need to another bus.
Okay, let's go ahead.
I have another question. So maybe this 4 days, it's not
Maybe.
okay.
After, so we need a cultural time, not after feeding, after conference for cultivation for at least 1 week. So that you find they 12, at 12, if you find the conference date, you need a culture for one week from today at the 12 to the at 19. And then you can start the experiment to the addition of the natural compound.
Thank you. And then it's our thought, and then we thought maybe tomorrow's schedule at 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Sensei will have a speech to introduce the 3D culture. And then maybe after speech.
Excuse me, I want to demonstrate one. Actually, I want to demonstrate to make the tubular structure of the gel pastry. So that from the 9, not only the present date.
好，我来讲 ，OK， 所以 will be a little mistake。他的意思是说，因为我们中间要90分钟的停留，所以他不认为，他可能一开始就要开始 demonstrate 跟做，然后可能是后面在 waiting 的时间还要去做说明跟讨论。之前我们是有这样子的，对，有2种版本。
Because I cannot explain everything without demonstration.
Yeah.
So I want to
necessarily to demonstrate and then.
demonstration.
So I think it will be because it will be the 90 minutes waiting.
But
use that
for the demonstration, we can cut the 90 minutes.
Yes, to discuss that.
Yes.
And because tomorrow you will be 5 doctors, they don't come today, so you will be a little.
I understand. So they need some presentation.
Yeah, so I think maybe we'll be very quickly to briefly introduce, and we will say, oh, later.
Yes.
It's
I
okay.
understand. Sorry.
It's okay. I'm also confused until 2 days ago. I know 5 doctors.
Yes.
Okay. So 我想 OK， 他的意思就是说他可以很快速的讲一下，但是时间上面可能就要马上进到下面的动作了。对，那也没关系啊，就是你把那个1个小时缩短到类似20分钟这样子。
So the presentation time of past 1 hour, and then I teaching with my demonstrations only 3 minutes, 30 minutes, and after that the students will try to the generation using by the 12.
Okay.
Yes, I understand this time schedule.
Yeah. Okay.
I know.
这你可以了解吗？
还是要先9点到10点9点先吃饭。
对。
吃饭完，然后1个半小时要演讲。
没有，他没有要所谓的演讲，他明天就是在吃饭过程，然后有问题大家问他，然后我们有一段时间是大家可以坐下来问他，是这一种，里面没有演讲。Okay, I think maybe you can do change by yourself because I was
I understand that in your arrangement, my introducing to some new first doctors. This is the time for my presentation to the new people, and then this is the demonstration time by me, And sorry.
It's okay.
For the generation and the seeding cells at this time, and after that the student try to the generation and the cell seeding by teaching me. It is okay? My understanding?
听不懂，听不懂，还是可以。
他是听不懂的意思，
要我帮你帮好，你听得懂吧？ It's okay. 他的意思就是说，是照这样做啦，他没有要改啦，是不是你的意思是要他这样子做？
Maybe could you write down your thoughts? Maybe time schedule.
Yeah.
Okay, you can to use the.
This is my. But I think this time schedule is good. But this generation time is a little bit short, so that I from start the 9 for the presentation, but I want to quickly introduce to the new people for training this on the 3D culture system to the like 9:40 or 9:30, and then everything is okay for me. So because this is a demonstration time. And the student trial time, and this is good management for you. So this is and the seeding and student trial time, and this is okay for me.
前面也需要有一段比较长的时间。
This is a little bit change.
It's okay. It's okay.
And your arrangement of time schedule is good, perfect for me.
Is there any question? 没事哈。Okay, so I also hope they can to prepare the SOP you give us and to copy. And one student one copy is okay.
Yes.
Okay. So maybe tomorrow it will be more easy to let everyone to understand. Yeah. So okay. And I will to say a little to discuss because it's not perfect, but now we have the 2D cell culture.
Yes.
Right? So maybe in this section we can to use the cloudy computing microscope to observe because we have one IX repass system here. Not layered. Okay, so you will be to linking cloudy and let anyone students can use the computer screen.
Big screen.
Yeah, to show the sales condition. And thank you for your suggestion because it will be
Like a dome.
key. Yes, this will be very good.
So let's discuss the effects of the natural products.
Yes.
Yes, I want to discuss it.
Yes, and actually I think the doctors very like to know how to culture this kind of epithelial cell because in today's your speech have the gut system and the other is the blood vessel. So for everyone it will be very interesting how to handle it. And because for the blood vessels, maybe it will be the further future. We have hope to collaborate. Oh, sorry, the Professor Lin. The future view is.
But we have to need the culture of the microvessel because you start we need some multi-method system.
Yes. It's okay for me, but I think tomorrow maybe the doctors will ask any question. I don't know. They question, but I think it will be good.
But even in Japan, I can see the situation of any type of the cells using the cloud microcomputing system, so that I can suggest everything to.
Thank you. Okay. So, any questions? I think today's. Okay. So, if you agree it, then we can go to any. 应该是同样的问题。
Yes.
Okay.
This
So
question mentioned before.
Yes. So we decide the 16th stage, determine the fully differentiated at the Kakosu set, and under this situation, we can find the newly formation of the shape of the gut cell epithelial cell, so that we decide the 60 days.
And this one is because we had the usual one, microscope. So could we just use the microscope to observe the 3D generation? Because I see the cell matrix type 1A in website. It says it's transparent and it can be observed
Yes.
under the microscope.
Yes, of course.
So we can just only take it and then directly see the cells.
Yes, so the Kakotsu Kakotsu set culture on the culture gel and glass bottom. So that both is transparent, so that you can see directly observe the Kakotsu cells. And you can use any types of fluorescent dye to detect some nuclei or some detect some microorganism in the cells. You can use everything dyes.
Okay, thank you.
Even in the PDMS chips, because you already find in the culture region, we do not use any silicon chip, only the glass bottom you under the cells, so that you can also use shape microscope to detect the cells, even in the PDMS chip.
Oh, so this kind of shape we also can observe
Yes.
easily too.
Yes, of course.
Oh, 那就好。Okay. So.
But the cells overall the tumor-like structure, so that we cannot observe the top side of the cells.
Yeah,
we can only observe the bottom side of the cells. Even if we use a confocal microscope, the laser do not arrive to the top side, so that we only detect the bottom side of the cells.
Thank you. So maybe so have any more questions? Any questions? So tomorrow the Jenny will no Jenny is you because of the Chinese name is English name is not the same, so I'm a little confused. What's your name in English? Lillian, okay. The Lillian and you? No. Oh, 那怎么办呢？我要怎么？
Fish. Because she's Chinese name is Yu Xin.
鱼。
Fish.
Yeah. So, okay, you agree? Okay, the fish. The Lillian will to which seat you can do see and waiting, and go inside the classroom. Okay.
Okay, so the small members at once, one group by
Yes,
group
I
come to the culture.
Okay. And today, so the Kojima, you will be very, they are so smart because you will be use the to mimic and to let the students to practice. Okay, the job. No.
But Kojima said this is not work, so that we need the sense.
So it's okay. So they were to practice outside the center culture moon. But I think tomorrow because they are doctors, I believe the doctors the handle the skill will be better. I hope. Okay, so tomorrow will be more smoothly. Okay, so you can demonstrate in the center the small one or to the outside. Because we are we have the small one have two lamina flow, but the outside another one lamina flow you will be to teaching. So I think maybe tomorrow you can use the lamina flow to demonstrate, and everyone to understand. Then one by one go to
culture and try to
Okay. So maybe tomorrow is late. And we also have the other classroom near this office. You have to have the like here and have the computer, and we can see the cloudy computer. Okay, you will be the afternoon, right? The tea break discussion time. Okay, we will go together to the other rooms. OK， 好，那再来我们要